Hello, everyone. Welcome to this webinar where we discuss the world's greatest opportunity. You must have been sent a link wherein a friend of yours must have asked you to join this webinar and to see the presentation on one of the greatest opportunity available right now. The world is facing a lockdown. Everybody is home. And by just sitting at home, you can have a look at this opportunity. What the opportunity is all about will be discussed by a great leader, speaker. He's traveled the world, shared this opportunity with many people. And the good part is that for today's webinar, we have people joining us from all different countries, especially from the UAE, Middle East. We've got people from Bahrain, Saudi, Oman. We've got people from Philippines, Nepal, Bangladesh, and India. I'm requesting the person who will lead the presentation today to start on the presentation. I'm inviting Mr. Shirish Sebastian.
Thank you so much, Sarvagya, and welcome to this evening presentation. What we will try to call this as Coffee with Winning Team. So, hope all of you are comfortable, relaxed. I won't say enjoying the evening, but with this global lockdown that all of us are going through, it's a once in a lifetime experience. And we at Winning Team are trying to make most use of this time on hand. We can make a conscious choice either to be worried about what is happening on the outside, or we can start exploring a new world, a new business for ourselves. So good evening friends and welcome one and all for this global business presentation. आप सभी का इस presentation में स्वागत है और इस presentation की खास बात ये है जैसे सर्वगी जी ने बताया we are connecting with people from Saudi, Oman, Bahrain, Dubai, Nepal, Bangladesh, Thailand and the whole of India. So हम कोशिश करेंगे कि presentation को हम हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों में बैलेंस कर लें ताकि दोनों हमारे जो पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं वो दोनों को उसका बेनिफिट हो जाए. The slides are all in English. For those of you who are purely English speaking, will be very well able to follow what is happening even if I speak in Hindi in between. So global business. While you and I are exploring a global business, there are two questions that pop up in the mind. तो ये सवाल आते हैं. ये बिजनेस कैसे किया जाए और ये बिजनेस क्यों किया जाए? How to build this business and why to build this business? The very fact that we have invited you to explore a global business, what we want you to be very clear today is, why do you plan to build this business? आप ये बिजनेस क्यों करना चाहते हैं? ये बिजनेस कैसे होता है? इसकी चिंता आप ना करें. Because that is not a point of concern for our new participants today of how to build the business. You only have to stay connected with the person who has sent you this web link to know how to build this business. But the answer to why is something that you need to know. आप ये बिजनेस क्यों करना चाहते हैं इसका जवाब आपके पास होना बहुत जरूरी है. क्योंकि दोस्तों इस समय में हम क्या सोचते हैं ये कोई मायने नहीं रखता. हम कैसे सोचते हैं ये बहुत मायने रखता है. What we think doesn't matter. How we think does. Even if you look at this current situation, and my friend Mr. Jangir from Dubai just called me in before the session started, and a similar lockdown type of a scenario has already happened in the Middle East, where Dubai, I guess till Sunday, is going to be under lockdown. People have been requested to stay at home. So we have a choice to sit at home, get worried of what is happening in the world outside, or convert this time and energy that we have to learn and grow with something new. So what we think really doesn't matter, but how we think does. And we at Winning Team are committed to help you in how to think. That is the reason why we have a series of webinars, Zoom meetings, and FB Live to keep you excited and keep you positive. So here friends, what we are going to discuss today is time and money. Well, in all B schools, what is taught is time is money. समय ही पैसा है. आप इस प्रेजेंटेशन के लिए आपका समय दे रहे हैं, उसका भी एक मूल्य है. The time that you have invested in this presentation also costs money. So all of us put together, and we are going to be crossing a big number very soon. All of us have invested our time, even though the webinar is free. Our time has value. So here when we are talking in terms of a new global business and time is money, we would recommend that you sit with a pen and paper. Make your own notes. Prior to this presentation, there have been a couple of series that have already happened. And the re-telecast links will be available soon. But we recommend you don't sit and watch through. You make your notes, because this is your time to learn and grow. Let's hear what the first billionaire in the US, J.P. Getty, had to say. Quote, I'd rather have 1% of the effort of 100 people than 100% effort, 100% of my own effort. Unquote. What is he trying to communicate here? वो हमें ये बताने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि 100%, 100% मैं मेरा मेहनत से बजाय 100 लोगों का 1% का मेहनत लगाना समझदारी समझता हूं. So to understand the depth of this one-line statement of the first billionaire of the US, you need to explore this business. Because this business is about leveraging time, and this business is about leveraging effort. Friends, we have choices to make. And I'm sure with the corona pandemic, a lot of new choices will also emerge. बहुत सारी नई opportunities आएंगी. क्योंकि हर महामारी, हर नेचुरल कैलामिटी का ये एक स्वरूप होता है कि वो अपने साथ एक संधि भी लेकर आती है. Every calamity brings an opportunity. So what are the choices that we have? We have a wide range of choices. You have the oil and gas industry, then you have the steel industry, you have information technology, which is again into two parts, artificial intelligence and robotics. And after the pandemic, I think there could be an emergence of a third IT world, which is something to do with online, because it's like taking up so much. Then we have the wellness industry, and we have the hotel and hospitality industry. This is just to name a few, but there are many more industries waiting for us. Out of all these, have you ever evaluated what are the determinants of wealth creation? इतनी सारी अपॉर्चुनिटी अगर हमारे पास अवेलेबल है, पैसे बनाने का साधन या पैसे कैसे बनते हैं, क्या इस पे आपने कभी गौर किया है? There is a certain philosophy, and this philosophy is very well explained in the cash flow quadrant by a noted economist and author called Robert Kiyosaki, who I was recently informed that along with Donald Trump, he has also co-authored a book of Why We Want You to Be Rich. He explains the cash flow quadrant. What he says, there is 4 sources of income. So if you look at the presentation, you have a choice of becoming an employee, take up a job, or become a self-employee, your own startup, or you become a business owner, or you become an investor. Now, all these quadrants have a determinant. Money comes in a certain fashion. How? For an employee, time makes money. For a self-employee, time makes money. They invest their time and they make their money. Now, a lot of people are working from home. They're still investing their time and they will be paid their dues. But there are some people who have been sent home without pay. There are a lot of people sitting at home in the insecurity. They don't know whether they will have the same job. I have been traveling in the Middle East for quite some time. In my last visit, I met a lot of professionals, and they told me that already since December and Jan, it has become a common trend of organizations holding back salaries. I have met professionals personally who haven't got their salaries since 6 months, since 3 months. That is the kind of risk that they are in. And what are they making their money with? Their time. They trade their time for money. But business, on the other hand, does not work like that. In a business, system makes money. A business owner or a corporation sets a certain system, and the system generates money. For an investor, money makes money. So imagine you are a movie producer, or you have a couple of apartments that you have given on rent, and you're getting your money. So your money is working for you. So 4 तरीके हैं पैसे कमाने के. जॉब कर लो, सेल्फ एम्प्लॉय हो जाओ, बिजनेस ओनर हो जाओ, या इन्वेस्टर्स हो जाओ. But look at the irony of life. 95% of the global population are on the left side. Employee, self-employee. And this side, income is called as active, because they have to be present to make their money. But on the right side, they don't have to be physically present. System works for them, money works for them. So if I were to ask you this question now, would you want to be on the left side, or would you want to be on the right side? What would your choice be? Would you still want to remain with active income, or would you want to generate a passive source of residual income? Well, the answer is quite obvious. Many of you would want to be on the right side. Then what stops us from getting into our own business? 3 things. We fear investment, we fear risk, and we lack experience. That is the reason why 5% of the global economy is on the left side. 95% of the global economy is on the right side. Now look at the paradox. 95% of the global population are struggling for 5% share, whereas 5% of the global population are enjoying 95% of economic share. Now friends, if you and I need to make this migration, and that too at a time of a lockdown, we want you to be assured with 3 things. 3 चीजों से आराम से बैठे रहिए. आपको जिस किसी ने ये वेब लिंक शेयर किया है, वो आपसे 1 रुपया का इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं मांगने वाला है. सेकंड, यहां पे कोई रिस्क नहीं है. थर्ड, हमें यहां कोई तजुर्बे की जरूरत नहीं है. Yes friends, so stay home, stay relaxed, because this is not an investment plan. There is no risk involved and no experience required. And we can explore a passive source of income. And at this time, I'm sure this is a very apt thing. For those of you who have gone through the Consumer Empowerment Opportunity CD, a video of Winning Team, in which Mr. Sarvagya Badal since 3 years has been trying to present a very, very important matter when we are talking in terms of leverage and also substitution. Life in a game offers substitution. So if a sportsman is injured while playing a sport, he's substituted. If a sportsperson is not performing up to his optimum level, he is substituted. The game goes on. But what about the game called life? Is your income and my income substituted? Say for any simple given reason, something happens to the breadwinner of the family. Is the income substituted? ये हमारे साथ भी हो सकता है, क्योंकि खेल के मैदान में तो स्पोर्ट्स प्लेयर्स को सब्स्टिट्यूट किया जाता है. लेकिन आप और मैं जो घर पैसे ला रहे हैं, अगर खुदा ना खास्ता हमें कुछ हो जाता है, तो क्या हमें रिप्लेस किया जा सकता है या हमारी इनकम रिप्लेस की जा सकती है? अगर नहीं, तो ये प्रेजेंटेशन आपने गौर से देखना बहुत जरूरी है. सो हियर व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग इन टर्म्स ऑफ द नेक्स्ट बिग थिंग, और याद रखिए, सर्वज्ञ जी ने आपको बताया, वेलकम टू द वर्ल्ड्स ग्रेटेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी. सो लुक एट द की वर्ड्स दैट हैव बीन यूज्ड. एंड when the globe is facing a lockdown, you and I are discussing the next big thing. क्योंकि आने वाले समय के बारे में जानकारी जब हम रखते हैं, उसी को तो बुद्धि कहते हैं. सो यहां पे दोस्तों, हम देख रहे हैं कि 2 इंडस्ट्री का सम्मेलन, एक है वेलनेस और दूसरा है इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी. वेलनेस और इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी जब मिल जाते हैं, तो आने वाले जमाने का एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण बिजनेस हमारे हाथ आया है. आज के जमाने में आप देख रहे हो, चारों ओर यही बात हो रही है कि कोरोना से वो लोग बचे हुए हैं जिनकी प्रतिकार शक्ति ठीक है. कोरोना वायरस के शिकार या तो बुजुर्ग, बच्चे या जो पहले से बीमार हैं और जिनको स्मोकिंग की आदत है, ये लोगों को जल्दी होने के चांसेस हैं। तो बार बार सभी वीडियो चैनल्स बता रहे हैं प्रतिकार शक्ति को बढ़ाओ। तो वेलनेस इज गोइंग टू प्ले अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल नाउ एंड ऑल्सो इन द फ्यूचर। एंड इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में क्या बात कर रहा हूं, आप और मैं अगर आज एक साथ कॉफी पी रहे हैं, ओमान में, सऊदी में, दुबई में, बहरीन में, थाईलैंड में और इंडिया के सभी कोनों में, is possible only because of technology. So wellness and technology coming together gives us access to the next big thing. Lekin we are not the ones who are only promoting this. I would encourage you to read the book Rich Dad Poor Dad from Robert Kiyosaki. Understand the cash flow quadrant. Understand the importance of multiple sources of income and passive source of income. I would also encourage you to read the book of Paul Zane Pilzer, a noted economist, a consultant to 2 consecutive US governments. And in his book, The Wellness Revolution, he explains how to make a fortune in the next $1 trillion industry. So here friends, this presentation is based on fact and science. This presentation is not fiction. ये सच्चाई, ये प्रेजेंटेशन सच्चाई पे आधारित है। तो ये सच्चाई जानने के लिए कुछ किताबें आपने पढ़नी है और ये किताबें सारे हिंदी में भी अवेलेबल हैं। सो यहां पर पॉल ज़ेन पिल्जर जो एक इकोनॉमिस्ट हैं, जो एक ऑथर हैं, ये क्या कह रहे हैं, कोट, ऑफ ऑल दी एंटरप्रेन्योरियल अपॉर्चुनिटीज अवेलेबल टुडे, वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट इज डायरेक्ट सेलिंग, ऑल्सो कॉल्ड नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग, अनकोट। ये क्या कहने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि दुनिया भर में जितने अपॉर्चुनिटीज, जितने संधि अवेलेबल हैं, उसमें से सबसे महत्वपूर्ण और सबसे बड़ा है नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग। ये सही समय है, आपने बहुत शुक्रगुजार होना चाहिए उस मित्र का जिसने समय निकालकर आपको ये वेब लिंक भेजा है, बिकॉज ही इज योर रियल वेल विशर। So here friends, when we are talking in terms of exploring a next big opportunity, you need to understand a little bit about network marketing. बहुत लोग चेहरे सिकुड़ लेते हैं नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग सुन के, बहुत लोग एक कदम पीछे ले लेते हैं नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग सुन के। लॉट ऑफ पीपल shy away from this word. Reason, they are not aware of the truth. What is network marketing? What is multi-level marketing? First of all, you need to realize it is a 100-year-old industry. ये कल कोई कोरोना वायरस शुरू हो गया और हमने डायरेक्ट सेलिंग स्टार्ट कर दिया? नो, दिस इज अ 100-year-old इंडस्ट्री. What does it work on? One, no joining fees. That's why I said there is no investment. Second, no door-to-door selling. सेल्समैन नहीं बनना है हमने, घर घर जाके सामान नहीं बेचना है. बहुत लोग मुंह सिकुड़ लेते हैं, सोचते हैं हाँ हमने सुना तो है, अभी वो आप कहोगे ये सामान बेचो, कुछ नहीं बेचना है. नो फोर्स्ड परचेज, नो ई वॉलेट. This is word of mouth referral. Satisfied consumers are sharing their experience with others. जो उपभोक्ता इस सिस्टम से सामान यूज कर रहे हैं, चीजें यूज कर रहे हैं, वही उनके दोस्तों और रिश्तेदारों को थ्रू वर्ड ऑफ माउथ अपने एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करके वो प्रमोट कर रहे हैं. लेकिन इसी समय मार्केट में कुछ पॉन्जी स्कीम भी हैं, इससे भी आपको थोड़ा वंचित रहना है. यू नीड टू बी अवेयर ऑफ द पॉन्जी स्कीम्स अवेलेबल इन द मार्केट. What are the dynamics of Ponzi schemes? Well, a Ponzi scheme will start with an investment. A Ponzi scheme will not speak about products. A Ponzi scheme will speak about 2 on your left and 2 on your right. And they will make it so simple. Don't you have 4 friends who can share? When these numbers start coming in, when investment starts coming in, run. Because they are short term and their benefits are not equally proportional for all involved. In a Ponzi scheme, position matters. In a Ponzi scheme, people will speak to you in terms of power leg. Network marketing does not speak of power leg. Network marketing only speaks of a powerful mind and a powerful dream. So here friends, when we are talking in terms of exploring the next big thing and being aware and staying away from Ponzi schemes, we would want to ask you this question. How did you join any of the social media platforms? Many of you are using Insta, many of you are using Facebook, many of you are using WhatsApp. How did you get onto these apps? Did you see an advertisement and then get into these apps? No. Somebody recommended it to you. This is called the power of word of mouth. You watched a good movie, you recommended it to your family and friends. You went to a fancy restaurant, don't go now. Now is not the right time. Okay. You went for a sale, no sale now. You're watching something on Netflix and you liked it. I've got 3 movies that my friends have recommended me, must watch. But I don't have the heart to tell them, bro, I don't have the time to watch because we are so busy with Zoom and webinars that we have no time for Netflix. So here friends, how are we doing this? Word of mouth. We are recommending product and services to family and friends. What have you gained out of making so many references? What have you gained after making so many referrals? What are the popular stories? चलो बात करते हैं कि ये रेफरल मार्केटिंग से, वर्ड ऑफ माउथ से कौन कौन इसका बेनिफिशियरी है, किस किस को फायदा हुआ है. फेसबुक, वर्ड ऑफ माउथ. व्हाट्सएप, वर्ड ऑफ माउथ. रोटरी इंटरनेशनल, जो दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी स्वयं सेव संस्था है, द ग्लोब्स लार्जेस्ट एनजीओ, इज अ पावरफुल एग्जांपल ऑफ वर्ड ऑफ माउथ. BNI International. This is another business networking, which is a pure example of word of mouth. Network marketing industry also, friends, depends on referral. But before you get into network marketing, do some due diligence. आप थोड़ा होमवर्क कीजिए कि आप नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग में एक करियर बनाना चाहते हैं या आप पैसिव इनकम, रेसिडुअल इनकम चाहते हैं, तो थोड़ा होमवर्क कीजिए. होमवर्क करते समय हम आपको 4 चीजों पे ध्यान देने के लिए आमंत्रित करते हैं. वी इनवाइट यू टू एक्सप्लोर 4 quadrants. The first one, product and services. You make a tick mark. You write this down as I'm speaking to you. Whichever company you are evaluating, first check, do you like the product and services that they are offering? You will know this only when you make your first purchase, when the products reach your place. So do you like it? Second, is there a need? Is there a need for these products? Does it meet those needs? Wide range होना जरूरी है, किफायती होना चाहिए और profitable होना चाहिए. When you have a tick mark for all these things for product and services, you're getting somewhere. Then evaluate the compensation plan. Can individuals generate income quickly? नहीं, अगर हम 5-10 साल पहले आ जाते तो शायद से बनता, लेकिन मैं तो आज आया हूं. So can new people make some quick income? Second, does it generate a reasonable part-time income? Connect with your friends who have connected you to this webinar, and they will share with you volumes of testimonials of what people are already taking home through this system. Is there a possibility of a full-time income? Majority of the people have already crossed a lakh of rupees per month. That's more than around 8,500 to 10,000 dirham per month. Per month. Is that a reasonable full-time income? Think about it. From a part-time business. Are there success testimonials? A very important question. I would encourage you to look at all the web series that we have launched, and you will be meeting face-to-face with a lot of real-time success heroes. Let's talk about the company. Is it well managed? Do you believe in the management team? Is the company in tune with the changing times and trends? Do they have a long-term vision? कंपनी के बारे में भी जानकारी आपके पास होनी बहुत जरूरी है. जांच पड़ताल कीजिए, डू योर ओन ड्यू डिलिजेंस, बट इतना भी एनालिसिस मत कीजिए जहां पैरालिसिस ही हो जाए. So don't get into an analysis of paralysis. You are trying to explore a business opportunity. Be crisp and clear. Connect with the right people for the right information. Talk to people who are in this industry to know about this industry. Don't go and call your neighbor who has never done this industry to know more about this. The fourth aspect is support system. The company website, online, offline support, apps, trainings, and events. While we evaluate these 4 quadrants, friends, let me drive you through this presentation, because we need a plan A and a plan B in life. Well, this plan A is a big question mark today, because even while I speak with you, there are a lot of people who don't know whether their plan A will remain when they step out of their house after the global lockdown. Because friends, whether we like it or no, there is going to be a pandemic called an economic pandemic. I am not trying to instill fear in you. I am speaking this with confidence because I know what kind of opportunities there in our hands. But it's eminent, yeah? सब चीज बंद हो रही है, एक ग्लोबल लॉकडाउन हो रहा है, कैश फ्लो इफेक्ट होगा, मनी रोटेशन इफेक्ट होगा, छोटी छोटी चीजों को गौर कीजिए, सब्जी वाले, ऑटो वाले पैसे नहीं कमा रहे हैं, वो पैसे नहीं कमा रहे हैं तो खर्च नहीं करेंगे तो रोटेशन नहीं होगा। बैंक्स ने अभी इंडिया में 3 महीनों के लिए ईएमआई को पोस्टपोन किया है, माफ नहीं किया है, सिर्फ पोस्टपोन किया है, 3 महीने बाद भरना है, ओके? लेकिन भरने के लिए भी तो आमदनी चाहिए ना। तो हमारे प्लान ए अभी खतरे में है, तो प्लान बी के बारे में जानकारी हासिल कर लेना बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि हमारे कुछ लोगों के जीवन में ये प्लान बी जो हमने 3 साल पहले शुरू किया था, गॉड्स ग्रेस, ये हमारा भी प्लान ए हो चुका है। एंड दैट इज वाई हम बड़े कॉन्फिडेंटली ये वेबिनार्स कंडक्ट कर रहे हैं। सो ये फ्रेंड्स, प्लान बी की जब हम बात करते हैं, प्लान बी होता है एक ऑनलाइन बिजनेस आइडिया। क्या आप इस वक्त किसी भी ऑनलाइन बिजनेस में जुड़े हुए हो? बहुत सारे लोग वर्क फ्रॉम होम कर रहे हैं ऑनलाइन, लेकिन वो आपका बिजनेस नहीं है, आप किसी और के लिए काम कर रहे हैं। ऑनलाइन आपके लिए क्या काम कर रहा है? ऑनलाइन के सक्सेस टेस्टिमोनियल्स क्या हुए हैं पिछले 5 सालों में? हम 10 साल 50 साल की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं। पिछले 5-4 साल में अगर आप देखोगे, स्विगी जो दुनिया भर के कहीं के भी पकवान हमारे घर तक लाकर दे देता है, बायजूस कोचिंग क्लास हैं, इतने सारे कोचिंग क्लास हैं, स्पेशली इन इंडिया देयर आर ह्यूज ट्यूटोरियल्स, all of them are not doing the kind of business that Byju's, a learning app, is doing. बिना एक गाड़ी खरीदे ओला और उबर दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा टैक्सी नेटवर्क चला रहे हैं। बिना एक होटल खरीदे ओयो इंडिया के सारे होटलों का आज एक कंग्लोमरेट, एक यूनियन बन चुका है। बिग बास्केट जो हमारे घरों तक सब्जी लाकर पहुंचाता है, ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर ऑनलाइन बिजनेसेस। तो मेरा आपसे सवाल, क्या आप ऑनलाइन हो? और आज के जमाने में हमारा बिजनेस सुरक्षित इस करके है क्योंकि हम ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म का इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं। सोचिए जरा, अगर हम भी ऑनलाइन नहीं होते तो क्या आज ये वेबिनार यहां होता? क्या मेरे में इतनी कॉन्फिडेंस होती कि मैं आपको प्रोत्साहित करूं? द एंटायर विनिंग टीम एजुकेशन सिस्टम इज बैकिंग यू अप ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ दिस वन प्लेटफॉर्म कॉल्ड ऑनलाइन। तो आपके पास ऐसा क्या बिजनेस है जो आप ऑनलाइन कर रहे हो? आर यू प्रेजेंट ऑनलाइन? थिंक अबाउट इट। सो व्हाट आर द पॉइंट्स दैट आई हैव कवर्ड टिल नाउ? One, I have spoken to you about passive income, residual income. Second, the next big thing. Third, keep in mind 2 industries, wellness and IT coming together. Network marketing, the next big thing. You need to realize the power of referral and you need to be online. With all these things, we now begin with our presentation. अभी तक जो मैं बात कर रहा था ये तो सिर्फ इंट्रोडक्शन था। सो नमस्ते करके आप सभी का स्वागत करता हूं, क्योंकि दुनिया भर में तो अभी ये चिन्ह हो गया है। सो सऊदी, ओमान, बहरीन, यूएई और थाईलैंड और पूरे इंडिया में अभी यही चलने वाला है। सो इसी नमस्ते के साथ आपका इस प्रेजेंटेशन में स्वागत करता हूं और आपको न्योता देता हूं हमारे कंज्यूमर एम्पावरमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी में। आई इनवाइट एंड वेलकम यू टू एक्सप्लोर द वर्ल्ड ऑफ कंज्यूमर एम्पावरमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी. The word CEO is something that was coined by Winning Team Education System. Now, when we talk of a consumer empowerment opportunity, what are we talking about? We are talking about change your shop. जी हाँ, और कुछ नहीं कह रहे हैं, हम आपसे सिर्फ कह रहे हैं कि जो भी ब्रांड के प्रोडक्ट्स आप यूज कर रहे हो, कुछ समय के लिए अपना ब्रांड चेंज करो, चेंज योर शॉप. आप में से कुछ लोग कहेंगे, भाई हमारे दुकान में हम खुश हैं, ये नई दुकान के बारे में हमें जानकारी लेने की जरूरत है, खास करके आज के जमाने में. चेंज योर शॉप हम क्यों कह रहे हैं? क्योंकि दोस्तों आपके हर महीने के कुछ ना कुछ फिक्स्ड एक्सपेंसेस हैं. अभी देखिए ये महामारी के कारण, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस ग्लोबल पैंडेमिक, अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर गोइंग टू कर्टेल देयर एक्सपेंसेस. ओके, सम एक्सपेंसेस आर फोर्स्ड. मेरे घर में तो स्विगी का प्रवाह बहुत ज्यादा होता था, अभी तो वो स्विगी बंद हो गया, तो मेरा जेब भी थोड़ा अभी बैलेंस में है. दीज आर पेरिफेरल एक्सपेंसेस. ये होता है नहीं होता है कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. बट देर आर सम फिक्स्ड एक्सपेंसेस. ये खर्चे तो फिक्स हैं. टूथपेस्ट, सोप, डिटर्जेंट, डिश वॉशर, फ्लोर क्लीनर, हैंड वॉश, हेयर ऑयल, शैम्पू, टी, कॉफी, कुकिंग ऑयल, ये सब फिक्स्ड एक्सपेंस है या नहीं है? आपके लिए ये फिक्स्ड एक्सपेंस है, हमारे लिए ये मंथली इन्वेस्टमेंट है. Yes, friends. Why we are encouraging you to change your shop is for this one reason. Convert your monthly expense to your investment. Please write this down, that you're taking part in a global opportunity, which is called the Consumer Empowerment Opportunity. What needs to be done? Change your monthly expense into your investment. Now, how we do that, you will come to know progressively. When we talk in terms of changing your shop, with all the products that are available in FMCG range are available in this store, which is a very big industry. In addition to that, we have healthy food supplements. Healthy food supplements which are the missing nutrients in your diet. I don't want you to challenge us on this point. I don't want to dwell a lot because there is a video called as a health workshop, health session, and you could see the retelecast again to know why you need food supplements. Today, let's not dwell much on this. The only thing that I would want to tell you is common deficiencies in the world are B12, D3, and hemoglobin. And it is a proven fact that B12, D3, and hemoglobin go low when there is malnutrition. कुपोषण के समय में B12, D3 और hemoglobin कम होते हैं. जरा गौर से सोचिए, क्या आप और मैं कुपोषित हैं? क्या हमारे घरों में खाना नहीं है? Are we living in a time when there is no food? No, there is so much of food. But the plate is full of emptiness. Food is there, but nutrition is low. That nutrition needs to be topped up. Connect with the person who shared this web link with you to know more about the amazing range of food supplements that we have. Two things that I can tell you about the food supplements from us is they are natural, and two, they are affordable. Along with this, we have an online portal. It's an e-commerce platform called the Best Deals, where you can talk of grocery, mobiles, bags, jewelry, kitchen, shoes, fashion, book, all this on your fingertip, everything happening with the help of an app. The shop that we are introducing to you is Vestige. This store started operations in 2004, and this is 2020 now. They started operations in 2 cities in India, Delhi and Bangalore. Today, this store is available in Saudi, in Oman, in Bahrain, in Dubai, in India, 2,000 outlets, in Nepal, in Bangladesh, and very soon in Thailand. Post the corona pandemic, we plan to open 20 nations within this time. On the list is the African continent, there is Nigeria, there is Ghana, there is South Africa, and so many more countries getting added. Vestige as an organization believes in helping people to live a life of dignity, economic independence on their own terms. And their mission is to grow to a global scale, becoming a benchmark in network marketing. और ये करते हुए, what are the accolades that Vestige already has? Among the world top 100, Vestige today is ranked 63, and it is the only Indian company to appear in the top 100. ये बात जानकर आपको खुशी होनी चाहिए कि एक भारत की कंपनी टॉप 100 वर्ल्ड वाइड में 63 रैंक पर है. They were awarded as India's best company of the year in 2017 by International Brand Consulting Corporation, USA. Best Nutraceutical Company of the Year Award 2017 and 18. List लंबा है. National Best Employer Brand, Global HR Excellence Award, Best Employer Brand Award. So we are coming with a store, with an organization which has a huge range of products and super range of certificates and accolades. So yeah, friends, a global opportunity knocking at your door. When you get into Vestige right now, you can see on the screen, you can select a country. The one country that is missing on this list is the Nepal and Bahrain. Very soon they will be appearing on this list. You have India, UAE, Sultanate of Oman, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Bangladesh, Thailand. Friends, you sign a simple form, you download free apps from the phone, and a global business starts. How good is that? Think about it. A global opportunity knocking at your door. International offices. This is the outlet in Dubai. You have similar outlets in Bahrain, in Saudi, in Oman, very soon in Thailand. You have 45 such offices across India and 2,000 stores where you can pick up the products. In Dubai, product and services are available in Bar Dubai and in Ajman. So other than the main office, which is in Oud Mehta, you can also visit the smaller stores in Bar Dubai and in Ajman. And during this lockdown, there is a possibility we might have to keep our main office closed, but product and services will be available from Bar Dubai and from Ajman. So friends, get connected. Stay tuned with us. So international offices, state-of-the-art training facilities, you have diamond lounges. What we want to tell you is there are regular training sessions across India and all the international outlets. And even during an lockdown, when our outlets are closed, we at Winning Team have reached your home. Some of you are watching this presentation on your laptop. Some of you have connected it to your TV. Some of you are watching it on your phone. So don't worry about the training support system. We find many ways to get you. The compound annual growth rate of Vestige has been 79% per annum for the past 10 years consecutively. Why? Because they believe in quality, they believe in price economics, and they believe in availability. So our products are international quality, our price is economically priced, and products are available in all the countries of operations. So here friends, a good deal coming our way, and all this happening with a trusted brand called Vestige. The range is wide. तो काफी रेंज के प्रोडक्ट्स हैं. इंटरनेशनल मार्केट में हमने 3 प्रोडक्ट्स के स्टार्ट किया था. अभी दुबई में 50 प्लस प्रोडक्ट्स हैं. सेम वे बहरीन में हमने 4 प्रोडक्ट्स के साथ स्टार्ट किया था. अभी वहां 30 प्लस प्रोडक्ट्स हैं. ओमान और सऊदी में और थाईलैंड में हम 8 प्रोडक्ट्स के साथ स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं और धीरे धीरे वहां प्रोडक्ट रेंज बढ़ता जाएगा. This is the trend that we've seen. If you look at 16 years of history in India, Vestige would have started in 2004 with 5 products. Today we are over 300 products. So all this is progressively happening and you're working with a tried, tested and trusted brand. How do you start? You fill a form for free and you get a global ID number. Yes, one ID number. You can sign up in any of the countries and your ID is valid in all the nations. So आपकी जो इंडिया की आईडी है वो दुबई में भी यूज हो सकती है, वो ओमान में भी, थाईलैंड में भी, सभी जगहों पर एक ही आईडी यूज होता है. आप एक फॉर्म भरते हो जो बिल्कुल फ्री है. पीओएस से आप डाउनलोड कर लीजिए, पीओएस में आप एंट्री कीजिए और आपका कस्टमर आईडी और ये जो पासवर्ड है वो जनरेट होता है. After you have connected, after you got connected online and you have your customer ID, be assured there is a winning team leader, a winning team server in most of the cities in India and also in every country that we are operating. So the winning team servers are there to serve you, to help you grow and build in this business. So when we invite you to change your shop and use Vestige as a tested and a trusted brand, what are the benefits? First benefit, friends, when you use your unique global customer ID, on all the product and services, you are eligible for 10 to 20% discount. So whatever is the price mentioned on the list, you get a discount of 10 to 20%. The second benefit is every month there are progressive offers. और इन ऑफर्स के चलते आप 10% के प्रोडक्ट्स भी फ्री घर ले जाते हो. मान लीजिए आपने 8,000 की शॉपिंग की, 800 रुपए का सामान फ्री. 4,000 की शॉपिंग की, 400 रुपए का सामान. ऑल दीज काइंड ऑफ ऑफर्स आर रोलिंग द होल मंथ. एंड आवर फ्रेंड्स फ्रॉम दुबई, आप लोगों को तो पता है कि शॉपिंग फेस्टिवल ये एक लिमिटेड पीरियड ऑफर होता है, लेकिन वेस्टीज की इस दुकान में तो साल के 12 महीने शॉपिंग फेस्टिवल चलता रहता है बिकॉज ऑफ दीज ऑफर्स. So पहला फायदा 10 to 20% डिस्काउंट. सेकेंड फायदा 10% वर्थ प्रोडक्ट्स फ्री. थर्ड बेनिफिट, यहां पर आप 3,500 का ये आप कन्वर्ट कर लीजिए इंटू दिराम, इंटू रियाल, इंटू बारेनी दिनार, ये सब आप कन्वर्ट कर लीजिए. सो यू विल गेट द मैथमेटिक्स. 4 महीने 2 तारीख और 12 तारीख के बीच में आपने ये परचेस करना है. You have to make this purchase between the 2nd and 12th of every month, not necessarily in one bill. You can do it in multiple bills. जब आप 4 महीनों के लिए कंसिस्टेंटली ये अमाउंट की परचेस करते हो, तो 5वें महीने में 2,500 रुपए वो आप कन्वर्ट कर लीजिए इनटू दिरहम, वो आपको फ्री मिलता है. I think the average what I'm talking here is 220 dirham worth of purchase per month for 4 consecutive months. In the 5th month, you take home around 150 dirham worth of products free. Contact the person who shared the web link with you and they will give you the exact mathematical calculation. The 4th benefit, whatever shopping you do here, you get points. These points are calculated and the money is credited into the bank here in India, in the Middle East, that is in Dubai, in Saudi, in Oman, and in Bahrain. The equivalent cash is given to you across the counter. So between the 10th and the 12th of every month, if you go and check what is your accounts, based on the simple calculation that follows, money is given back to you. Stop here, friends. Ask yourself this question. Which shop has actually given you cash back? कौन से दुकान ने आज तक आपके बैंक के खाते में पैसे जोड़े हैं? ये फायदे का सौदा है या नहीं? When we talk to you in terms of change your shop, और वेस्टीज ये पिछले 16 साल से कर रहा है, ये कोई कल किया हुआ नहीं है, 16 साल से ये प्रथा चल रही है. कैसे? Some of you will be wondering, how is this done? How can a shop give us money back? Well, in the conventional way of marketing that you and I have grown up with, there is a manufacturer and there is a customer. The customer and the manufacturer are not directly connected. They come through a link called advertisement. There is a lot of money, a big budget set aside for advertisement. A brand, a celebrity endorses the brand. He makes an advertisement. You and I as consumers watch an advertisement. We go and buy the products. From where is the manufacturer going to recover the cost on advertisement? The manufacturer is going to recover the cost on advertisement from the customer. Get this right. This is the mathematics. This is the calculation. So when you and I as a consumer go to a store and buy products, we have not paid money only for the product. हमने सिर्फ प्रोडक्ट के पैसे नहीं भरे हैं, हमने एडवर्टाइजिंग के भी पैसे भरे हैं. We have paid money for the advertising. On the other hand, Vestige uses another philosophy. Vestige as a manufacturer, you and I as a consumer, they have bypassed the channel of advertisement. So यहाँ पे कोई ब्रांड एम्बेसडर नहीं है, यहाँ पे कोई सेलिब्रिटी नहीं है, यहाँ पे जो ब्रांड एम्बेसडर हैं वो कंज्यूमर्स हैं, people who are loyal to this store. Now, whatever loyalty we are showing towards Vestige as a brand, Vestige pays us back the money that the company saves in advertising. So you and I upgrade ourselves from being a consumer all these years of our life to become a smart consumer. So please write this word down. Smart consumer. This is what your friend wants you to become. This is what your friend who has sent you this link wants you to become. A smart consumer. So be smart and buy smart. But then, okay, I changed my shop and okay, cash is coming. Is this enough? No, friends, this is not enough. And in Hindi we say, ye dil mange more. More means what? This opportunity brings you closer to realize your dreams. Our chief mentor, Mr. S.P. Barrel, redefines dreams when he says, dream. What is a dream? To think of what seems impossible in the present. वर्तमान में असंभव सी दिखने वाली चीज के बारे में सोचना, उसे कहते हैं सपना. And I'm sure आपके और मेरे कुछ ना कुछ तो सपने होंगे. Many of us have dreams and we have buried our dreams in our day-to-day course. ये जीवन के सर्कल में ये सारे सपनों को हमने कहीं पीछे छोड़ दिया है. It's time to awaken. It's time to rejuvenate your dreams. I'm sure all of us have had a dream of becoming financially independent. When we got out of college, 5 साल काम करेंगे, पैसे बनाएंगे. ये हुआ है क्या? Financial independence. Some of us have a dream house in mind. हर साल वो postpone ही होता जा रहा है. Everybody has one luxury car in their mind. but it just remains in the mind. Early retirement, making parents happy, traveling the world around, social service and higher education. Now here friends, when we talk in terms of early retirement, हमारे जो मित्र सऊदी, ओमान, बहरीन, दुबई में ये प्रेजेंटेशन देख रहे हैं, जरा दिल पे हाथ रख के बोलिए, आप कितने साल के लिए आपका देश छोड़ के वहां गए थे? Ask yourself this question. How many years did you have in mind for having traveled across one ocean to reach that place? And the answer will be 2 to 3 years. I know friends who have spent 25 years in the Middle East and they have still not reached an early retirement or financial freedom. Please don't tell me that you have done foreign travel only because you are sitting in a foreign country. That is because of your work. You have not gone to these countries as a tourist. I have friends in the Middle East who are staying in Dubai who have still not visited Burj Khalifa. देखा सभी ने है, क्योंकि दुबई में आप कहीं भी खड़े हो जाओ आपको बुर्ज खलीफा दिखाई देता है, लेकिन वहां जाकर वो बुर्ज खलीफा के 125th फ्लोर जहां तक वो ले जाते हैं, कितने लोग गए हैं? बहुत लोग नहीं गए हैं दोस्तों. सो ट्रैवल द वर्ल्ड करना चाहते हैं, नहीं करना चाहते हैं? सोशल सर्विस, हायर एजुकेशन फॉर चिल्ड्रन, मम्मी डैडी के लिए कुछ करना, ये सब सपने भूलने की नहीं. आप अगला 2 साल, जस्ट गिव अस 2 years ऑफ योर टाइम, and in 2 years we assure you that these dreams are quite possible, because the success that we have achieved friends, we are already seeing these things happening in our life. So here friends, when we are talking in terms of a consumer empowerment opportunity, Vestige comes with a 7-way income enrichment plan. You need to get connected because this involves a little mathematics. We can share some YouTube links with you, or maybe we could plan for a detailed webinar where we are showing you the mathematics, but I won't confuse you with too many numbers now. Just look at a few things: retail profit, performance bonus, director bonus, leadership bonus, car fund, house fund, travel fund. 7 incomes coming out of the soap that you buy. 7 types of income coming out of the shampoo that you buy. 7 types of income coming out of the cooking oil that you use. आप जो घर में यूज कर रहे हैं, कौन सा टाइप का इनकम आता है? जरा देखिए ना आपके घर में क्या क्या प्रोडक्ट हैं, उसमें से कुछ इनकम आया? नहीं. यहां तो 7 प्रकार के इनकम शुरू हो रहे हैं. इनमें से मैं 2 चीजों पे आपका ध्यान आकर्षित करना चाहूंगा, और वो है फास्ट स्टार्ट 8% एंड फास्ट स्टार्ट डायरेक्टर. आपने ये लिखना है, जो भी नोट्स बना रहे हैं प्लीज राइट इट डाउन. फास्ट स्टार्ट 8%, फास्ट स्टार्ट डायरेक्टर. जिस किसी ने आपके साथ ये वेबिनार शेयर किया है उनको कॉल करके पूछिए, भाई साहब, बहन जी, ये फास्ट स्टार्ट 8% की कुछ बात हो गई थी और फास्ट स्टार्ट डायरेक्टर. If you want to be a smart consumer friends, you have to start as a fast start 8%. If you are very serious and committed to build a long career business with this opportunity, you should plan to become a fast start director. This is how most of us have started our journey with Vestige. So remember 2 keywords. You need to become a fast start 8%er if you want to be a smart consumer. And if you want to become a fast start director, you need to be serious about the business. Now friends, a global platform. We need a global education system. Because without education, you and I cannot walk one step ahead. For all the professionals watching this video, you have reached your position of skill sets at your place of work because you were trained, because you educated yourself to build a global business. And what are we asking for? 2 years. Just 2 years. There could be a lot of students watching this presentation. Can you give 2 years of your time to an education system that can help you make $1 lakh per month in the next 8 months to 1 year? Please write this down. 8 months to 1 year, $1 lakh per month income. And what are we asking you? Commitment for 2 years of staying connected to the education system. दोस्तों, बहुत सारे लोग MBA कर लेते हैं, डबल MBA कर लेते हैं, ट्रिपल MBA कर लेते हैं. पहला नौकरी जब मिलता है ना, 15 से 20 हजार रुपए मिलते हैं. So please think. This is a very thought-provoking session that you're going through. Don't let go of this opportunity. A global platform needs a global education system, and the global education system comes to you and me in the form of Winning Team. Download the app immediately from your phone, for which first you need to sign up with the Vestige customer ID. because the same customer ID is your link to the Winning Team app. So after you have got a customer ID from Vestige, you need to download the Winning Team app. And what is Winning Team all about? We are an education system that is empowering people to realize their dreams by providing them with education to build a long-term, duplicable, sustainable, profitable, and the biggest independent Vestige business with values and principles. हाँ दोस्तों, सिद्धांतों के साथ हम ये बिजनेस को बिल्ड कर रहे हैं. तो हमारे एजुकेशन सिस्टम के बारे में जानकारी आप हासिल कर लें. हमारे जो चीफ मेंटर हैं मिस्टर एसपी बैरल, ही इज द मोस्ट एडमायर्ड ग्लोबल इंडियंस इन द फील्ड ऑफ नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग. सो हु इज द वन हु इज गाइडिंग अस? Not somebody from outside in the world, but Mr. S.P. Barrel is one of the most admired global Indians from the field of network marketing, with our chief mentors, transformational teaching and training programs. Yes, friends, Winning Team is not about motivation. We are into transformation because motivation is limited, but transformation is permanent. Welcome to our transformational training programs, our international leadership. Go through the videos, the webinars that have happened in the past. There is a wide range of international leadership that is available to train you and me. Our events, our recognitions and awards are truly international. And moreover, we have something called as a winning attitude, a success profile book. Get your hands onto this book as soon as possible. Yes, it's a period of lockdown. We'll try to see how to get it across to you as soon as possible because testimonials are galore in Winning Team. We have people from wide range. We have professionals, doctors, chartered accountants, lawyers, engineers, space scientists, teachers, homemakers. We have people who had lost their job, lost their life, and they turned around themselves in less than 18 months flat with the Winning Team education system and Vestige as a global platform. And all these success testimonials are available in the form of a book, friends. So whoever has recommended this webinar to you will also give you access to this range of success profiles that we have. So yeah, friends, a global platform and a global education system. What are we talking about? We are talking about you being at the right place. You being at the right place, and I would also say at the right time. Because this is nature's gift to us. This time that we have got is not for us to sleep. This time that we have got is not for us to rest in the afternoon. Don't do things that you never did in your normal days. Because the coronavirus pandemic is a passing phase. Normal life will be restored soon. Let us hope and pray for this, that normal life be restored soon. So while you get this time, soak yourself in training and teaching and learning about this industry. Because when the doors open in the world, and when the rest of the world will be grouping as to wonder what are they going to do now, you already will have an opportunity in your hand to share with a lot of people. Statistics says more than millions are going to lose their job post this pandemic. So friends, you are at the right place and definitely at the right time. Passive income, the next big thing, wellness and IT coming together, network marketing, power of referral and online. This is what you need to be. So why and how? Don't worry about the how. Just contact the person who shared this web link with you. कैसे करना है चिंता मत कीजिए, वो आपका डिपार्टमेंट ही नहीं है. कैसा करना है उसके लिए विनिंग टीम है. आप पहले मन बनाइए कि क्यों करना है. और कल ही मैं एक वीडियो देख रहा था, इफ योर व्हाई डजंट मेक यू क्राई, दैट इज नॉट योर व्हाई. अगर आपके सुबह जागने का जो कारण है वो आपकी आंखों में आंसू नहीं लाता, तो आप ये जागने के कारण को थोड़ा वापस रीडिफाइन कीजिए. दोस्तों, लाइफ इज अमेजिंग. There are beautiful opportunities waiting for us. You and I need to think about financial freedom, financial independence, early retirement, making parents happy while they are alive, doing something for our children, traveling the world and making a comfortable home. All this and much more is possible, friends. First, you decide why you would want to join us. How to do this business is our responsibility. So welcoming you to our family where dreams come true. And when we say when our dreams come true, we want you to get connected as soon as possible to this world of freedom, friends, and fun. Thank you so much for your patience in going through this presentation. Over to you, Sarvagya.
Thank you so much, Shirish ji. Excellent presentation, I must say, and I feel the same for everyone. I can sense everyone's excitement after this presentation, and thousands of people are watching us right now. You must have got full information after watching this presentation, and if you're thinking, if you're still thinking that is this the right time to start this business, so I just have one thing to say: yes, this is the right time, because even amidst the global lockdown, Vestige and Vestige's products fall under the essential product category, and we are still available to order online. You just need to get back to the person who sent you the link, and he is the right person, he or she is the right person to give you more information about this project. अगर आप अभी भी सोच रहे हैं कि प्रेजेंटेशन मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा और आपको लगता है, आप ये सोच रहे हैं कि क्या मैं इसे अभी शुरू करूं या लॉकडाउन के बाद शुरू करूं, तो ऐसा बिल्कुल ना सोचें। एकदम सही समय है इस बिजनेस को शुरू करने का, क्योंकि ये बिजनेस की खास बात यही है कि ये ऐसे समय में भी काम करते हैं। और जी हाँ, जितने लोगों को आप देख रहे थे, आपने जिनके बारे में सुना, जिनसे आप सुन रहे थे, मिस्टर सेबेस्टियन, इन सब का बिजनेस अभी चल रहा है इवन ड्यूरिंग लॉकडाउन, क्योंकि हम असेंशियल सर्विसेज में हैं। साबुन तो आदमी को इस्तेमाल करना ही है, चाय तो हम पी रहे हैं, कॉफी तो हम पी रहे हैं, घर में बर्तन धुल रहे हैं, और आजकल हाथ तो लोग सबसे ज्यादा धो रहे हैं। तो यही बिजनेस है हमारा, यही प्रोडक्ट्स आपको बदलने हैं, और ये आप अभी भी कर सकते हैं। बस आपको जरूरत है उस अतिथि तक पहुंचने की जिसने आपको लिंक भेजा। पहुंचिए, अपने बिजनेस की शुरुआत कीजिए। ये हिस्ट्री होगी कि आप इस समय में भी, जब पूरी दुनिया चिंतित है कि हम क्या करेंगे आगे, आप एक नए बिजनेस की शुरुआत कर सकते हैं। और ये बिजनेस ऐसा ही है जो आपको बहुत आने वाले समय में बहुत ऊंचाइयों तक ले जाएगा। विद दिस, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग अस। सी यू ऑल सून।